So sometimes I'll be like, oh my God, I feel like I'm not a grown woman because I don't have a headboard. And I get it, it's just like a tapestry on a canvas or whatever, right? But I'ma always look at the positive, right? So I may not have a headboard, but I've never seen this before. You know what I'm saying? It's original. Never seen anybody do it. Two, I was thinking, like, with a headboard, you don't gotta hear all that against the wall, that pop, 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 pop. With a headboard, you don't gotta hear that, right? Like, I feel like that's tacky. To hear your headboard, like, all up against the wall, banging, busting, neighbor. Not gonna lie though, I have a headboard that's saved in like my favorites for when I move that I really, really, really like, right? But I'm like, maybe I should just not do a headboard. And when I say this is original, I don't mean like the tapestry. I mean like the tapestry on the canvas. I've never seen anybody do it. But I was like, headboard. I have one that I really, really like for when I move, right? I'm gonna show y'all. But then I saw this other idea, and I think that shit slaps. Like, get like when I move, I got a little ass bed because I was like, I don't want nobody sleeping with me. It's just me, right? But when I move, gotta get that Cali King, right? But anyway, that's just maybe cuddles for me and the kids or something. I don't know. Only God knows. But I saw this other idea. Instead of getting the headboard, I'm gonna show y'all. Let me just show y'all real quick. But now that I done pulled up the pictures to show y'all, I feel like I should do both. Like the headboard and the wall. It looks really cute. And I think because the wall is like cushioned, then if you were, you know what I'm saying, then, the headboard is cushioned, the wall is cushioned. So it's not going to be making all that, you know what I'm saying, that regular traditional headboard sound. You know what I'm saying? It's not going to do all that. So both of them might be cute. Ooh. And then while I was thinking about that, I came up with this whole other fantasy in my mind about like me watching all the couple channels on YouTube and like what mine would be like if I was in if I was doing a couple channel, like I would want it to be like da 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 da, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I think that would be cute. What y'all think?